Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're going to be making a Welsh Rarebit. Now, Welsh Rarebit, according to Wikipedia, is a dish made with a savoury sauce of melted cheese and other ingredients and served hot after being poured over slices of toasted bread. And that's exactly what it is. And you'll see through the video how we make Welsh Rarebit. This variation, though, is actually called tomato rarebit. So it's a little bit different than normal Welsh Rarebit, but I prefer it to the original. Oh, just a little bit of history, personal history. Kim introduced it to me because her nana used to make it for her, or her nan. Anyway, let's get on and see how we make Welsh Rarebit. So the ingredients you'll need are bread for toasting, 150 grams or 5 ounces of yogurt, 230 grams or 8.1 ounces of chopped tomatoes, 25 grams or 1 ounce of butter, 40 grams or 1.5 ounces of plain flour, 125 grams or 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. You'll also need a 1.5 litre saucepan, a spoon and a covered tray. Now turn on the heat, just onto a low heat, and add your butter, your flour and your tomatoes. So we're going to stir those through until that thickens up a little bit. Make sure you get into all the corners there. So you've got a basis of a roux there with tomatoes in it. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I think I got that right. That's 5 millilitres for those who are doing metric. So we stir that through. We're going to add the yogurt, and then we're going to add the cheese as well and mix that all through. There we go. There's all the lovely cheese. Now I'm using queso Chihuahua, which is a cheese I made earlier, and you can check out the video here. Okay, we're going to bring that to the boil, and you can see that boiling there. They're bubbling away. I'm going to allow that to cook for 3 minutes. Now just make sure it's on a really low heat. You don't want to burn this on the bottom of the pot. So season to taste with pepper and salt. And then give that a good stir through. And most of the cheese by now, after the 3 minutes, has melted throughout the sauce mixture. So that's all good, and you allow that to cool now. Okay, now you preheat your grill, and then you toast all your bread on both sides. And then we're going to spread the Rarebit mixture on the toast. Now this makes about 12 pieces of toast. I'm only doing 6 at a time here because that's all that fits on my tray. So I'm going to spread the Rarebit all the way to the edges, otherwise your toast burns when it's under the griller. You don't want that to happen. So once that's all spread out, we place that under the grill. And we cook until it's brown on top. Nice and bubbling there under the griller. Looks lovely, doesn't it? And then we take it out of the griller. And you can see those black bits are the good bits too, by the way. We allow it to cool for about 2 minutes because it's absolutely boiling hot if you bite into it right now. And then we plate up and we serve it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is tomato rarebit. Well, there you go. Nice and simple and absolutely delicious. The mixture, the rarebit mixture itself, covered about 12 slices of Vienna loaf. And they were toast thickness. So that's about how much you'll get. So it serves about 4 people. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying these videos, these cheese making recipes. And don't forget that you can also support the show by popping over to Patreon and pledging as little as $1 per month. And that absolutely helps immensely keeping these videos rolling. You also get early access if you're a patron of the show. So there are some other recipes on the channel already, but there'll be many, many more to come. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.